Okay, going out to another spring change. I gotta get my coffee. Don't feel like talking yet. Okay, I'm over here. My son, he's taking down a door here. Well, he's gonna dump my old door. He told me to come by his job and he'll dump my door too. So first stopping here, dumping my door for free, and I'll get back at you. Okay, spring change. Sounds like a door goes up and it said excessive force on the wall button. He has single carriage house doors, and I think they're 8 high. They're wood doors, so they're real heavy. Probably gonna have 2 springs on there with 1 spring broke. I'm gonna offer him $12.95 for 2, $7.89 for 1, and see what he says. This job will take me to change the spring probably 15 minutes. I'll get back at you when I get to the job. Talk at you. You look different.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Hey, good to see you.
Yeah. You're doing a lot of work here, huh?
Trying to clear out, you know?
Yeah.
I don't remember banging the garage door at all, but
yeah, that one on the left broke.
oh, I see.
See that one up there?
Okay.
Did you want to just do that one or do both?
I think we did the other one fairly well.
But you use this like a front door though, huh? You use them a lot. They break a lot quicker.
Yeah. I think the one on the right is fairly in good shape, right?
Well, you can't tell before they break. It's a smaller spring, but you can't tell the second before they break what they look like. That one looked probably just like that one, so I can't tell you, yeah, that looks good.
I remember having it, let's just do one. I remember having it actually replaced, I don't know how long ago, but it wasn't, when my kids were little.
Yeah, these are 8 high springs, so these are $7.89 for 1.
Okay.
So I'll bring it around. I gotta get up there and measure it. Okay. Got a broken spring up there. Yeah, the door's open now. Pull it down by hand. This is one of those carriage house doors. 3 sections on an 8 high door. What a weird setup. Okay, this is yours.
Well, thank you.
And hopefully that one on the right lasts you.
Yeah.
But it works good by hand, actually. I tried it by hand.
Okay.
So it looks good. And just keep an eye on this camera because I taped it back on, but
It flips around, yep.
Yeah, I taped it back on so it should stay on. Wait a minute, did I leave that tape in here?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, right here. Never mind. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Okay, right there, the guy paid me $789. That was for 1 spring. It took me about 20 minutes. They had away in their garage, and I had to tape that camera on, but hey, it's well worth almost $800. I'm gonna go eat some good food at some Hofbräu down here. They have the best food. The mashed potatoes in this place are out of this world. Anyway, that job there, quick $800 for 1 spring. That probably cost me about 20-something dollars. You know, that's a real good return on your investment. Market yourself in good areas and you can go around making good money. Another good day, another good week. The bottom line is everyone trusts the garage door guy for some reason. They didn't realize how important their garage door was when it doesn't open. You know, they just want to pull in their garage like they've always been doing. Broke their little habits they have, so they want to get it back to how it was. And you can do it right now, that'd be great. This is all stuff you guys can be doing. Doesn't matter if it's me or you saying it, they need it done. When you're short on money, you can't imagine people spending that much money. But they've been doing it for years and years and years. So you would just be another person collecting the checks. So we teach you how to get into business, run the business. We'll be there side by side. I mean, you won't need us for everything, but when you start up, you'll need maybe some questions answered. You could call us, and if you're unsure of things, we're like mentors there for you. So no one else is gonna do that for you. I know you don't see it now, but after a while, you won't even need us. You'll be just doing everything on your own. But it's good to have someone to rely on, even if you don't need us. Sometimes you want to call and tell the customer, oh, I gotta call and get it cleared. Call us to make sure on the price. We'll help you out in any way you need. Even if you don't put it to work, you should learn it. That way you're never trapped in your garage and you'll never have to pay someone to fix your door again. Or if you want to get into business, that's what most people do. They go out every day and do it and make great money. All right, I got 45 years experience and I used to hang a lot of doors and I've seen every situation. I can tell you how to do everything. So give us a call. Talk at you. Click below to watch a free lesson and don't forget to like and subscribe.